Hi friends, hola amigos. Today we're going to read our story Kit's Cats. Hoy vamos a leer nuestro cuento Kit's Cats. Say the sound with me and put them together. Di los sonidos conmigo y júntalos y di la palabra and say the word. Remember to point to each word when you're reading. Recuerda señalar cada palabra cuando estés leyendo. Here's the title, el título. Kit's Cats. Kit, kit. As, has. Remember that this letter, esta letra, has two sounds. Tiene dos sonidos. It can say s or z. En esta palabra es dice z. In this word, it says z. Has. Cat, cats. Kit has cats. Kit tiene gatos. Kit, kits, kits. Cat, cats. Run, run. Fast, fast, fast. Kits, cats run fast. Los gatos de Kit corren rápido. Kits, kits. Cat, cats, cats. Kits, cats. Lap, lap. Up, up. Kits, cats. Lap, up. Milk, milk. Kits, cats. Lap, up, milk. Los gatos de Kit laman leche. Kits, kits. Cat, cats, cats. Gatos. Jump, jump. Up, up. On. Kits, cats jump up on. Kits. Bed, bed. Kits, cats jump up on Kit's bed. Los gatos de Kit saltan sobre la cama de Kit. All right, finished with our story. Estamos terminando. Good job. Buen trabajo. We can now do a celebration, un celebración. Let's do the McDonald's cheer. McDonald's cheer, get ready. Go. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. Sending love. Mande amor.